Live. Yo, we live.
You
What's
heard we
going on?
live. That's what's up. We playing around. It's New Year's Eve, y'all, but we're about to film this quick training for y'all on how to upload Optimize Press so that you can start building a custom sales page and a custom squeeze page for y'all. So we already went through some of the stuff, but I'm gonna go back to where you would upload Optimize Press into your WordPress blog. So hopefully you already got your WordPress, you already got your URL from GoDaddy or wherever you bought your URL from. You already got your hosting from HostGator or whoever you got your hosting from. And then you download WordPress into your hosting where your URL is uploaded at. We'll do a whole video for that if y'all don't know what we're talking about, so don't worry about it. But anyway, to upload Optimize Press to your blog, you want to go to Appearance, and then you want to go to Themes, because this version of Optimize Press is actually a theme. And once you go to Themes, you go to Add New, click on Upload, you go and find a file. The file should be a zip file. You click that, and then you click Install Now. Once you click Install Now, and it asks you if you want to activate it. You click Activate, and then there you go to be activated. Then it'll ask you for a license key. And then you just have to hit somebody up for your license key. Hit up the person who brought you in, or you have to hit me up to get a license key for it. Alright, so let's go to the Optimize Press. But first of all, on any site that you have, if this is a new WordPress site, you always want to go to your settings first. You actually want to go to this permalink settings here. And right now it's set on this question mark P equals 123 dash whatever. It's kind of similar to your Empower network affiliate link. It's similar to that, but that's not good for Google if you're trying to rank, or if you're just trying to have a structured name. It's really not good to keep it like that. So we put it on post name or custom structure. And you just click save changes. You want to do that first whenever you do a new WordPress blog. Alright, so then you also want to update. You also want to upload some plugins to it too, but we're not going to go over that in this video. So anyway, let's go to the general settings of Optimize Press. That's general settings for the website. There we go, Optimize Press right here. So we'll go to general settings. Then the general settings, if you want to have a site-wide settings, so if you want to set some settings for the site and then all of the pages that's on your Optimize Press has the same settings, then you can update it here. So if you want to upload a header, and that header is shown on all your pages. If you want to upload a logo instead of a header, you can do that. You can add your Facebook app ID, and that will give you comments at the end of your page, which is cool for social proof. If you got a lot of people involved or a lot of people watching and commenting, it looks really good. This is your footer link here. We're going to take off the affiliate link. So with the footer link, you just want to put the name of your website usually, or the name of your company. Or whatever you want down there in the footer, really. But it's always good to put the name of your company or the website. You can put a disclaimer, so if you want to put an income disclaimer on your squeeze page, you can do that. Here's where you put your tracking code, so your Google Analytics code, preferably, because that's the best one out there. Or if you got another one, you can put it down here in this box. And you click Save Changes. And you also have your membership settings. So if you want to have a membership site, you need another plugin to be able to secure pages. But Optimize Press to design the pages for you on your membership site. If you want to have a blog with Optimize Press, you can have a blog there. So it's a pretty simple layout, but it's a blog nonetheless. Sales letter, squeeze page. They have some SEO settings. You want to be able to change those, of course, to rank if you're trying to rank. But with your squeeze page and sales pages, you're probably not worried about ranking. You're just sending traffic there. That's your funnel configuration. So if you want to have some upsells and some downsells, like how Empower Network has their funnel set up, you can do that with Optimize Press. And this is where you set up the page funnel at. All right, so that's the general pages. Now, let's start with a squeeze page. just go to pages, and then you go to add new page. Right now it has a sample page. You can just delete that sample page. So when you add new pages, the first thing you want to do is go over here where it says View Template Gallery. So that way you can see the different pages that they have available, or different templates that they have available, depending on what type of page you're going for. So here's all the squeeze pages. As they have a total of a little bit over 12 squeeze pages. You can just pick one of these. Hey, Tavon, you see one that you like for your site?
I'm looking now. Okay, scrolling down. I think I like the one with the video. I think I want the one with the video up there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them that got videos. Some of them got headers, some of them don't. Some of them got footers, some of them don't. Some of them got the videos placed different places, or smaller, or these little hand-drawn things. So they similar but different.
Let's see.
So
you can go with that first one though, because I mean it's pretty simple. Yeah.
So if you want to go for the first one, then you would just click out of this template gallery, and then you would go down here where it says template, and you would just choose which template you want. So he just said he wanted squeeze page 1. So you just scroll down to where it says squeeze pages 1 without the header, and then you would just click publish. And that'll give you the style of that squeeze page. And then right here is all the settings where it says squeeze page options. You would change all of these settings here to design everything. Then below that you have the sales page options, and then the membership options. And you want to make sure the one that you're changing is the type of page that you're using right now, because if you're using a squeeze page and you go down here and change the sales page options, it's not going to show. Or if you want a sales page and you change it a squeeze, and you can make I do it all the time. You can make a mistake and not realize where you at. Make the changes, you click save, and you don't see them. You just want to check and make sure you put it in the right place. So for the point of this tutorial, we're not going to start from scratch with a page. It's actually an easier way to get pages that's already made up for you. And just go down to Optimize Press, and then you go to Instant Pages. And since he said he liked the first squeeze page, you can preview it here. I think that one was it. Well, this one has the header that's below the video, but you can change it to the header above the video. You can do that when you're doing it. Let's see what number 2 says. Yeah, so they got all the headlines below the video, but we can change that. So you just click on the squeeze page or whatever page that you can make multiple ones if you want at the same time. Click on squeeze page, sales pages, all those. So I just clicked on the first one, and then you click generate pages. And bang, you got a page right there. And if you want to preview it, you go there, and it's already set up for you. You don't really have to do nothing but change things now. So then you go back to edit page. Change out this name here. And then you want to change the permalink out too when you change the name of the page. Sometimes it updates automatically. Sometimes it doesn't. Click OK. Then you can change these words here. You can take them all the way out, but we can just go with the settings first with the headline. Since the headline was below the video, you can always change this. You got the pre-headline. The pre-headline it goes on top of the video, on top of the headline, and it's usually black or whatever color you want. You got the headline that's usually red, and then you got a sub-headline that's underneath that red headline that's smaller, and then this is the headline that's below the video right now. So we could just take that out. Cut. If you click, yeah. So once you take that out, and let's put that above the video, just click Show Options, and then put the words in there. Okay. And then you click Save. then you go back to view this page, see how it looks. And so now it's above the video.
Yeah.
So go back to edit page.
Yep, that's perfect.
And then you can change, like I said, if you want a header or a logo, you can put that in there. If you want to have a sidebar, you don't need a sidebar on a squeeze page. But for your video settings, this is where you put in the well, you don't put YouTube in the here. This video URL is for your own hosted video. Like if you want to stop people from using the controls with stop and pause,
Okay.
you have to host a video. You have to host a video yourself and put the URL in it right here. So everybody uses Amazon S3. You got to pay for it, but it's usually pretty cheap until you get a whole bunch of videos and bandwidth being used. But it's easy to just pay for that. Put your URL in the here, then people won't be able to push pause and stop and fast forward. But if you don't have any self-hosting, you put your YouTube embed code into this box right here. So you take the whole embed code and put it in here. And if you wanted to autoplay, you got to put the autoplay code at the end of the URL inside of the embed code and put the whole thing into it right here. And then you just click save and your video will pop up.
And you can Google what that looks like.
Yeah, you can just Google the autoplay code. See these controls right here, this autoplay and video play control bar, they don't work unless you got a self-hosted video. Otherwise, YouTube does what it wants since you're using YouTube videos and they host it. And if you wanted to have an image, like if you don't want it to autoplay, you just want the video to play if they push it, you can have an image. You can upload your own image to sit at the video before they push play. So you can change the video player color if you want it light or dark. This is the opt-in squeeze page options. That's where you put your Aweber stuff at. So this is the thing that goes above the Aweber form. The words that's up there. Change the text, all of that stuff, your spam notice, you can change all that on there. This is where you put the code at, the Aweber code. You put the whole HTML code into this box right here, and once you put the code into this box, the rest of these boxes down here will already be filled up. They'll fill up automatically as soon as you put the code into that big box.
Okay.
And then right here is where you choose which button you want. And you click into these orange, red, yellow, whatever you want. You know, click on next step, something like that. Let's do that for now. You use select image, and then just use that one. All the rest of the stuff you don't really need to worry about. Except social, like if you wanted to have social media settings where people can like the page or share it on Facebook or anything like that, you can do that too. So with all that, we can just save this page, and then Tavon's gonna update his words later.
Right.
And then you just do the same thing with the sales page. You can do the instant pages with the sales page. You just change it. And, it's pretty cool.
That's what's up.
Yeah, right now you can't see the video because I took out the URL, but once you put a URL in there, and I've clicked show options for the share this video. So yeah, but yeah, that's the basics. We'll do another video on how to get your URL to your hosting, because I know that can be tricky sometimes. We'll do another video on that. Or anything else, any other problems that y'all need, just let us know. We'll do.
All right.
So that's it for today. We done.
All right, cool. Thanks, Trey. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem. Peace out, y'all.